Hey friends, if you encounter the error drive is not accessible, the parameter is incorrect in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. The first solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter. The next solution is a check disk scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk /r/f and hit enter. Then press Y and hit enter once again. And lastly, you can reformat the drive. How? So go to this PC, find the drive, right click on it and then select format and then click on quick format and then click on start and then OK, and it will reformat the drive. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.